AI literacy begins with awareness and grows through questioning. So I could definitely tell you that I have used AI this week. I use it frequently in order to help break down huge projects and huge tasks into manageable pieces so that I can plan the parts effectively and then put them together so that when I have my final product, it's something that's smooth and something that flows, something that helps me get to where I want to go in a way that doesn't feel overwhelming and impossible. So that's a big reason behind my use of AI. Have I ever asked AI if it was wrong? Yes. So I do ask questions along the way. I do check out the output, and if I notice something is missing or something seems a little bit off, I will provide it with an additional prompt or additional context in order to sort that hiccup out, if you will. And what I have seen is that the tool will acknowledge, oh, I did miss that. Oh, you're right. That is something that should be considered. And then we're able to move on from there. So this workshop is to hopefully encourage you to not just use AI, but also think about the responses that you're getting and what can you do about them? Do you just leave the response as is, or do you interrogate the response by asking it more questions, giving it more context? When you approach an AI tool, it's not coming with your background unless you give it to it. It's not coming with context unless you give it to it. Now, we will talk about safety in a moment, but it needs context to help you in a way that is unique to you as an individual. All right, so communities that understand emerging technologies early are better positioned to influence how those technologies evolve. So it's not enough just to say, this isn't working for me, I'm going to opt out. How can you get your voice a part of the conversation, whether that is you pursue careers and opportunities that allow you to develop AI, or whether you get into a room where people are deciding on which AI tools to implement and use and voice your concerns there, not just voice your concerns, but also voice some possible solutions or considerations so that when the AI tool is implemented, they'll think about you and what you had to say when it is designed, when it's framed, when it's implemented, and perhaps put some parameters around the use or acknowledge the limitations so that those who are engaging with it understand that there is still need for human judgment when you are working with AI.